That's just the body not functioning very well.
Right.
Do your breathing exercises.
You can do those with me.
To the shoulder. That's really good movement there. Yvonne's jealous of that neck movement left and right there.
And I've got to start on the grandkids again then.
I do, yeah, that's good. My mum does a lot of knitting. She makes out blankets. Blankets for the. And breathe out. Good. Alright. Turn your head to the left, Joe, as far as you can go. Push out the foot. Nice. Breathe in for me. Feeling the body just kind of slump into me. And then head back. That's lovely. Breathe in. Breathe out. Head down right here. Movement there. And breathe out. Not too solid, Yvonne.
Pardon?
Not too bad there, no.
No.
And right leg when you stand like that, when you're staring at something. It's so